Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Moto supports NFC and that Android is updated. This avoids unexpected compatibility issues. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Connected Devices, because that's where NFC lives. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth only if you plan accessory pairing. Enable NFC, and if you'll use payments, toggle Tap to Pay or Default Payment App Now. This gets the phone ready to read and write tags, or perform secure transactions without delay. Now proceed to the practical steps. Launch an NFC utility app to read or write tags because it gives clear templates and avoids manual errors. Place the tag near the Moto's NFC antenna, off in the back center, and hold it still until the app confirms a read. Select the action you want. Open a URL, configure Wi-Fi, toggle Do Not Disturb, or launch an app and then write. After writing, immediately verify by rescanning. This confirms successful encoding and correct payload behavior. Finish by testing the tag or payment flow in context. Try tapping at the exact spot and distance you'll use daily, because real-world checks catch timing and orientation issues. If reads fail, reposition the tag or flip it. Metal and thick cases block signals, then clear cache or reauthorize the app. Also disable battery saver and confirm app permissions, since background restrictions can prevent triggers. If problems persist, remove and rewrite the tag. Corrupted writes are a common, simple fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.